Columbia Green Technologies is a manufacturer of green roof products. So what that means is that we locally in the Portland area manufacture, in particular in Washougal, Washington, we manufacture modular green roof trays, and we also do what's called a layered green roof system. So these are two different technologies that can be used to construct a green roof, or what's sometimes known as an eco roof or a vegetative roof. But what we like to say is that really we're in the business of stormwater management. Columbia Green is part of the clean tech and clean innovation world because green roofs have a lot of environmental benefits. Chief among those is their ability to absorb stormwater. They can both retain and detain stormwater, which prevents it from having to go into costly storm sewer systems. It's also green because it provides habitat. The bees and the birds love to be able to pollinate and use space which would have otherwise been a desert on top of a roof. It's also green because a green roof dramatically reduces the temperature on top of a rooftop. So a roof that would be a conventional rooftop that's black or ballasted might be 60, 70, even 80 degrees hotter than a green roof on a summer day. Of course, the green roof also provides extra insulation on top of a building, so you can realize savings from your heating and cooling and reduce your carbon footprint. There was definitely a disconnect between our product, which was specifically designed for stormwater management, and being able to quantify what those real benefits are. So the huge benefit to us of our involvement with Oregon Best was really twofold. First, they helped to give us a commercialization grant, which allowed us to partner with Portland State University's Green Building Research Laboratory. And at the laboratory, we conducted tests with rainfall simulators to be able to very precisely gather data about how rainfall actually moves through our green roof trays. Once we had this accurate laboratory data, we were able to build a hydrology model, which allows us to predict for a given project, so we can model for a geographic location, a specific size of a green roof, the size of a rainfall event, so whether it's 1 inches, 2 inches, 3 inches, and whether it's happening in Chicago or in Portland. And then we can say exactly how much water the green roof is going to hold, and when it does get saturated, in what way and over what delay are we going to see that water being released. So that sort of specific data has really allowed us to up our game, if you will, and be able to tell a very compelling marketing story to our customer base, which is now nationwide. And then the other way that Oregon Best helped us is they funded an intern, and he did a fantastic job of helping us to research and write one-page summaries of the stormwater manuals for each of our major markets. The momentum that we've had as Columbia Green has been really exciting. It's been, of course, as a startup, we have our ups and downs and our challenges. But being able to partner with organizations like Oregon Best and the academic partner of Portland State have really helped to legitimize and verify the performance of our product. And that's been very meaningful for us as a company because we've really seen a lot of growth. We were recognized as the number 13 fastest growing company in 2014. And to really find ourselves in the company of some of the most, name brand recognized companies, and to really be able to aspire to continue to grow and see that trajectory happening has been very exciting.